Hi, everyone. Are you working on your goals but finding it hard or difficult to track your progress? Well, that's what we're talking about today, and having that one place for your business that you know you can track your progress in achieving your goals. I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com, where I help leaders grow $1 million teams, and we work on systems and strategies. And one of the big systems I'm going to share with you today is my direct sales planner system. And the reason for that is this week, one of my coaching clients texted me, instant messaged me on Facebook and said, Gail, I just lost everything. I had everything in my phone. I was working from my phone. I decided not to use a physical planner this year. And for some reason, it all got wiped out. She had her social media stuff set up. She had everything set up on her phone, and everything got erased. Somehow it didn't even make it to the cloud. So having a physical planner will actually alleviate that problem, because I believe your planner is like your command central, okay? This means it's your one place you go to every time you work on your business. Having one place to go to means nothing slips through the cracks, nothing gets wiped out, okay? Nothing stops progress. You know, planners today are much more than calendars, okay? And in the direct sales planner, I want to share with you today 5 things that are going to help you stay on track to making sure that you are making progress towards your goal. So first, I want to share with you, when you first open the planner, there's actually a goals section. And this is really important because what you have here is writing out your yearly goal. I call it your big, hairy, audacious goal, okay? And what's that? That's simply writing a paragraph of where you want to be by the end of the year. I love to read this every month to know that I'm on track with where I'm going and where I want to be by the end of the year. Then there's something about the magic of the number 3, and I have you broken that down onto 3 things you want to focus on to achieve that big, hairy, audacious goal. This really, and it's here, right here in the front of your planner, so that you're able to review it and you never lose it. It's right there. So setting your big yearly goal is really important. Next, I want you to think about your monthly goals. Now, this is April, okay? So in April, every month I have actually a 2-page spread for you to plan your month. We start off with the goal stats that you want to achieve, how many sales you want, how many bookings you want, what's your recruiting goals, what's your team goals. And then I have a little menu of events on how you're going to achieve that goal, and I go into detail with that. And then we have, you're tracking your income every month. You're tracking what career level you're at every month. And this is like a little plan that you write out. Again, writing it down, what you want to achieve this month. You might not write it down everything at the first of the month, but as the month rolls along, you're writing down all the ideas that you want to achieve for this month. Then on this page is the actual tracking, the daily tracking, where you're actually writing in your stats, your parties, your sales, what's happening. And I love, this is my follow-up column of who I need to be following up with. And then down here we have a little monthly summary, and you do that after the month's end. Now that's so that we've done the yearly goal where we're able to keep reviewing that to see where we're in practice. Every month you plan your month with this 2-page spread. Then let's move to the weekly plan. And before I move to the weekly plan, I want to show you how to how to set up a booking, because that's what this is. Direct sales plan is about getting bookings. And look at this fantastic little booking pattern. You can see I want to book 2 parties a week. I use a system called the Calendar Confidence System, which is also in the beginning of this planner. I'll just give you a little idea of how you can track your progress with this planner. So lastly, I want to share with you the week, because the weekly and daily activities is what really makes you jump ahead in progress. Now you can see here, basically, there are 3 things I want to accomplish for the week. I have all of my appointments and deadlines written for each day. There's a calendar day, and it's all marked, okay? And then down below, I'm writing little notes here and keeping track of my stats as well. So you can see how you can track your progress so easily if you set your goals, your yearly goal, your monthly goals, your weekly goals, and tracking each day's daily activities. That's a system. I call it setting a goal, making a plan, and taking action. It's a 3-part system. Now, along with that, you can get the planner comes in 2 sizes. You can get the 8.5 by 11 or the 7 by 9. And this is a great little size if you like something to have in your purse all the time. And along with this also comes what I call WorkSmart worksheets, which are worksheets to help you track your progress. You track your expenses, you track your profitability, you track your hostess coaching. There's a hostess coaching checklist, all of the checklists you need in this 12 WorkSmart worksheets that go along with the planner. So let me ask you this. How are you tracking your progress? Okay. I'd love you to leave me a little comment below on how you're tracking your progress with your planner. Maybe you're working with a planner that really works for you. That's great. But right now, the Direct Sales Planner is on sale. It's a spring sale. So if this is interesting, something that you are saying, I really need a new planner. I really need one place. I don't want to have everything wiped out on my phone. Then click the link below and use the discount code that's written below so that you can, the discount code written below, that you can get it at a great price and start really tracking the progress of your goals. Have a great day.